I know it's been happening, but I'm gonna play for my coach till the wheels fall off. This is something that I have to lead by example. Me, Japet, and most of the guys that has been here. It wasn't the first time that's happened, di ba? Parang alam niyo naman yun. Pero, lalaban kami. Again, we have to use this advantage, this crowd as an advantage, not a disadvantage, di ba? Yun naman ang pinaka-rason kung bakit natin itong dinala tong event na to dito. So, yun lang. Kailangan namin ma-flip yung script na gawin namin siyang advantage. Kesa yung kabahan kami, hindi kami nakapaglaro ng maayos kasi maririnig namin kung ano yung mga ginagawa ng crowd. Pero at the end of the day, nagpapasalamat pa rin kami sa mga sumuporta. Pero sana, from the stage on, lapit naman na din matapos, supportahan nyo na lang kami. Thank you.